Hello guys, this is Rising Bull. Welcome to another video. So today I'm going to discuss on one swing pick. All right. So this is a stock which has good potential to give a good up move. Okay. And also guys, the techniques which I use in my videos, I would have discussed in my previous videos. So please do check out my previous videos to know how to apply these techniques. Okay. You will learn better. All right, so let's get into the stock. So this is the stock. As you can see, I've taken the weekly time frame. Tata Steel is the stock name. All right, so in the weekly time frame, as you can see, it is a downward channel and it has given a broken out with a good green candle. Another thing is there is a resistance, a support area. Two levels I have drawn out. I'll zoom in a bit. Two levels I have drawn out. All right, so it has taken a support at the bottom level and broken out of the upper level which I have drawn out as well, the minor level. All right, as you can see, I can also note this. So you can see, right, so the stock has come down and has formed a double bottom. The double bottom is basically when there's a support area, the stock comes down and forms a W shape, a W pattern, a double bottom. You can call it whatever you want. People call it in different ways. So it has formed a double bottom, and it has broken the neckline as well. So this has a chance to give a good up move. All right. So that's your second confirmation. It has broken out of the channel and it has formed a double bottom and given a broken out of the neckline as well. All right. And another thing is this upper resistance, these levels have been taken respected in the past. So there is a level which was respected in 2021 and it has taken a support. After it broke out of this level, it gave a good move and came back and taken a support and has broken down. It has taken supports at the bottom level. It has taken a resistance at this level. So this is an important level. It has given a breakout of this level. All right. So you can enter the stock. This would be a good entry. Okay. You can enter the stock right now. You can keep your stop loss below this level. Give some space. Okay. Give the stock some room to breathe because sometimes it might form a large wick when there's volatility. All right, so you can keep your stop loss somewhere around here, I believe, and you can book partial profits on this target. And ideally targets should depend upon you. What I would do is I would look at the candles. So I will look at bearishness in the candles. So if I'm entering on the weekly, you should look at the weekly candles. Okay, so look at this example. So suppose I entered looking at this. So this, wait, let's say, I'll give a good example. This was a breakout. Okay, I entered here. I entered over here. All right. So where would I exit? So my first type of exit would be looking at this. Looking at this pattern. If people might know this candles, I'll discuss in detail the candlesticks. Okay. I'll discuss all. I'll be releasing videos on all these candlesticks, the important ones which you should know. So if you are aware of candlesticks right now, you would be knowing that this is an evening star. So this would be your exit, right? You would say that this is the exit. You'll exit on the next candle. So you would exit here. So you would have booked profit. You would have taken an entry here. You would have booked profit as 48%, like that. All right. So provided you are an experienced, means if you have experience and you're willing to wait, you would have taken this entry based on the monthly. Hold on a second, my internet is slow. I'm sorry. Oh god. Okay. So see, this is the actual pattern break which you have entered based on. You would have entered based on this, right? So see, it has given a break. It was a red candle, but it has given a green candle opposing. So you would have entered here, right? And you wouldn't have exited here because just a normal candle, it didn't give you any bearishness in the signal. So you wouldn't have exited. So for long holds, I'm talking about this for long holds. If you are taking swing trades with long holds, it is better to depend on the candles. You have to notice the momentum, meaning you have to see as to where the stock is moving. So if there is bullishness still left in the stock, you need not exit. You can book partial profits. I'm not saying that don't exit. You can book partial profits, or if you're comfortable that you have gained enough and you're seeing a sell signal, you can book it. Alright, so if you would have entered here and you would have gotten enough and you saw the sell signal, right, the evening star, and you can book profit. 61 is enough. That is more than, that is a really good profit for 3 months, right? It's 3 months, yes. For 3 months, 61% is really good. You could have booked it. But the stock has moved up even further. Okay, as you can see, it has gone up even further. And this is your second sell signal. So if you would have taken on monthly, here there is another bearish candle. You can see, right? Bearish candle is happened over here as well. So these are your signals. You must depend on candlesticks also, not only the up. So suppose it's this, means you would have exited if this is your level. Some people will take around the highs, the recent highs. They will take it like this. So if you're taking this stock also, you might think about booking your targets here. You can. I'm not saying that you can't. But what I'm saying is the stocks may have better position to move upward. It might take a small resistance at that, and it might break the resistance and go up even further. Alright, that's what I'm saying. So favor the candlesticks as well. If it gives you a sell signal at that resistance points, look. So it gave an evening star, you can exit, no problem. So here it is given a bearish candle. It means a bearish engulfing. So you can exit here. But you need not exit here. It is not a sell signal as per se. It hasn't given any resistance. So depending upon your position, or when you see a signal, sell signal, you book partial profits and let the remaining run. See if you can get more out of the stock. Alright. So ideally the sell signal would be over here. This, if you are taken on the monthly. It's given an up move, it has given a doji, and it has given a red candle. That's a good evening star pattern. Alright. So you must improvise on how the stock is moving. Or if you're an investor, you can hold long term. But it would be good to not hold for very long. For example, this was a good hold which you would have done if you saw the evening star. Alright, so right now this has given a breakout. See as how the stock moves. The stock has given a good move. See as to how the stock moves and then prepare your exit. You can book partial profits at the high, let the remaining of the stock run, and then exit. Alright, okay, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching till the end of this video. Please like, share and subscribe, and turn on your bell notification so that you'll be further notified on further upcoming videos. Alright, I'll be releasing more educational content on how to exit, the exit strategy, on how to do, when to enter accurately. Alright, the fake breakouts, how to identify the fake breakouts, all these things. I'll be releasing videos. Please do like, share and subscribe and turn on the bell notification for all such content. Thank you, guys.